look at the 4 different types of slopes. So we're going to go ahead and find the slopes of these 4 different lines. Let's start with A, and just using the formula of slope, y2, so 4 minus y1, which is 1 here, over, subtract my x values, 3 minus 2. Do the subtraction, and I get 3 over 1, which you can leave. When you're drawing a line, it's good to have it in this form, 3 over 1. That's the same thing as 3. This is a positive slope, and so a positive slope means that your values are increasing. So this could be like a stair. It needs to go at a certain slope, or a ramp going up needs to go at a certain ramp, a certain slope. Okay, so let's look at B. We're going to find the slope of these 2 points, of the line in between these 2 points, I should say. So y2, which is negative 4, minus y1 is 3, over x2 is 2, minus x1 is negative 1. So just be careful with your signs. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. 2 plus 1, because it's a double negative, is 3. So our slope is negative 7/3. It says sketch the line. I'm actually not drawing the points and sketching it. I'm just doing a rough graph for you of what this looks like. A negative 7/3, all that means is our slope is going down. So this is a negative slope. So this would be an off-ramp, for example, would have to go down at a certain slope, or the pitch of a roof that's going down. Okay, for C, go ahead and find the slope and see what you get. So something interesting happens when you find the slope in between these 2 points. You have 7 as your y2 and 7 as your y1. So that's your numerator, over, subtract, negative 2 minus 5, your x2 and your x1. So negative 2 minus 5. Your numerator becomes 0 over negative 7, and remember, 0 over anything is just 0. So you have a slope of 0. When you have a slope of 0, you actually have a horizontal line. That means there's no increasing or decreasing. Everything's staying steady. So this is a horizontal line, and it has a slope of 0. So there's no increase or decrease in value. Okay, and then for the last one, when you go ahead and find the slope, you have your y2 of 5 minus your y1 of 10. So 5 minus 10 over your x2 of negative 1 minus your x1 of negative 1. And then when you go ahead and do this, your numerator is negative 5, but your denominator becomes negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. So you cannot divide by 0. This is called undefined. It's not possible to divide by 0. And when you have an undefined slope, if you plotted those 2 points, you'd see that you have a vertical line. So a vertical line has no slope. Okay, the slope is undefined. So those are the 4 different types of slopes that you could have.